In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Schedule K1 into TurboTax. If you received a Schedule K1 from a partnership or S corporation and you're using TurboTax online, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to expect. Before you begin, have your K1 on hand and make sure you're working in the correct tax year. It also helps to know whether your K1 is from a partnership, an S corporation, or another source, so you can choose the right path in the software. Start by signing into TurboTax and opening your return. On the left side of the screen, look for the main navigation and hover over the income section. When you do, you'll see different types of income categories expand. This is where TurboTax organizes entries you'll add to your return, including your K1. From the available options, select Business Partner Income Statement. This is TurboTax's label for entering a Schedule K01 you receive from a partnership or an S corporation. Selecting it takes you into the guided interview, so you can either import or enter the details from your form. Next, you'll be asked whether you receive this type of income. Choose Yes to continue. That tells TurboTax to open the K1 screens that match the lines and boxes on your paper form. If your K1 issuer participates in direct import, TurboTax may offer to pull the information in for you. If you'd rather type it in, you can continue with manual entry and copy the amounts exactly as they appear, watching the box numbers and any attached statements. For accuracy, enter names and identification numbers exactly as shown on your K1. Double-check code letters, and pay attention to whether amounts are ordinary business income, interest, dividends, or deductions. Small differences can change how the amounts flow to your return. If you hit something unfamiliar, use the on-screen help links for plain English explanations that mirror the form you're holding. To use K1 import and advanced guidance, TurboTax requires the premium level or higher. If you're on a lower edition, you'll see a prompt to upgrade. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the upgrade, then return to the K1 section and keep going. Your entries will be saved. When you're finished entering the K1, continue through the review screens. TurboTax will check for missing info and flag anything that doesn't add up. Save your progress and you're all set. That's all there is to it. Hover over Income, open Business Partner Income Statement, confirm with Yes, and if needed, upgrade to Premium to unlock the full K1 workflow.